Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating interaction between business and the politics, focusing on dynamic relationship between Donald Trump and Elon Musk. We will explore how their interaction impacts the companies, the legal landscapes, and the famous cases. These highlights leads to many complexities. Let's get started. Legal analysis, economic influence. Trump policies can offer deregularize and tax cuts which benefits large corporations like Tesla and SpaceX. This creates a favorable environment for Musk to venture. Musk's involvement in Trump administration, particularly in advisory roles, can lead to policy changes that directly benefit businesses. Regulatory challenges, while deregulation can benefit businesses, it could also raise concerns about conflicts of interest and the potential for reduced oversight. This can lead to legal challenges and problems for regulatory bodies. The balance between fostering innovation and ensuring compliance with the safety and environmental standards is a key legal issue. Famous cases: SpaceX and FAA regulations. SpaceX has faced fine and regulatory problems from Federal Aviation Administration for safety and licensing violation. Musk influence in Trump administration could potentially impact how these regulations are enforced. Tesla and environmental policies. Tesla operations are significantly impacted by environmental regulations. Changes in these policies under Trump administration could benefit Tesla by reducing compliance costs and encouraging innovation. In conclusion, the relationship between Trump and Musk highlights the complex interplay between business and politics. While their collaborations can lead to economical benefits and innovation, it also raises important legal and ethical questions. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for navigating the modern business landscape. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.